All work and no play leave your dog bored, frustrated, and anxious. Like kids, your dog needs exercises and your company. So what should you do when you know that you need to spend all day working hard? And what's the best way to offer your dog the fun, stimulating, and exciting exercise that she needs? Well, we have an easy and super exciting answer to these questions. Now meet WICKEDBONE, a bone-shaped interactive gaming device that performs like a truly smart, fun, and wonderfully wicked companion of your dog. It couldn't be more exciting, really. WICKEDBONE is really easy to use. Just download the WICKEDBONE app and connect via Bluetooth, and you can start playing with your dog. Move it with its virtual joystick. WICKEDBONE feels just like any other video game. WICKEDBONE's 9 preset motions are able to constantly keep your dog highly focused. The interactive mode is perfect for the moments when you're busy doing something important. When the interactive mode is activated, it is wired to guide your dog to play with it. WICKEDBONE acts responsively to different types of touch based on its original emotional system, always in a playful manner that keeps up with your dog's mood and reactions. WICKEDBONE lets you choose or set different modes to play indoors and outdoors. And you could even play it without looking at your phone. The FDA class material of WICKEDBONE's body, cover, and the tires are certified, safe for humans and pets.
Okay, Marley, hold on. I'll let you out. Oh, come on now, Marley. You want to come back in? I'm gonna have to teach you how to open that door.
Now you can teach Marley how to open and close the door with Autoslide, fitted to any of the sliding doors in your home. Autoslide's K9 option allows you to easily set the door to open and close for Marley whenever she wants to go out or come in. You can set it to open to the width of your pet, and with this pet toggle, it will only open for Marley and no other animal. Visit Autoslide.com to discover the endless possibilities when your sliding doors open for your pets.
Family. If we're all honest about it, it's what really matters the most. Those special times together, around a meal. And even if one of us is a little late, or even if things don't go exactly as planned, we all try to help each other out. And with the PetNet Smart Feeder, it's easy to do just that. Though we all have busy lives, places to go, and work to do, we still do what we can to make sure our families are healthy and provide the love and care they need to live happy lives. And sometimes, when we're away, we still find ways to check in, to stay connected, and take care of one another. That's just how it is.
moments into shared moments and instantly share your best clips to friends and family. Because some things are too cute to keep to ourselves. They're there for us, waiting. Be there for them too. With scheduled treat times, they'll know that the one they love is just around the corner. And you'll know they're taken care of. Until you can be with your pet again, we'll be here, helping make homecomings even sweeter, and sharing love from afar. Petcube, designed for happy reunions. Designed for pet parents.
There's a special society out there. Its members don't need an alarm clock to wake up. They don't need an inspirational poster to remind them that every day is an adventure. It's a society of athletes and explorers, with members who aren't afraid to get dirty. For them, sit, stay, and roll over aren't commands. They're a password. And in this society, everyone knows the handshake. And even when this society is unable to meet, they can count on each other. They are always connected, always close by, always looking out for each other. Because they are linked by a bond that cannot be broken.